Hi there everyone, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on downloading and installing QGIS, the powerful free and open source GIS software. Today I'm going to download and install the latest version of QGIS. I hope you find it helpful. Before jumping in, I want you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions. Alright, to get started, the first thing we need to do is Google download QGIS. As soon as you do that, a bunch of websites are shown. It's important that you refer to the official QGIS website, because the others might not offer the official versions. So the best thing is to go to the QGIS website addressed as qgis.org. When you enter the website, you face such a page, which is the donation page. QGIS is a free-to-use software, but you can donate to the QGIS team if you intend to. Otherwise, hit the skip it and go to download option. Okay, we got the download options here. It's offering the Windows version by default, including 2 long-term and latest release. The difference between the two is its stability. The long-term is more stable than the latest, but the latest is newer than the long-term. You can download either, see which one you'd like to download. I'm going with the latest version. But pay attention that this is for Windows. If you want to download it for other platforms, just change this option to the platform you want to download QGIS for. It'll be the same as Windows. As I said, I'm going with the latest version, so I click on the download option. And the download starts automatically. Alright, let's head to the QGIS plugins until the download completes. If you're new to QGIS, I must say plugins are extensions that add more features to QGIS. By finding the most useful ones, they will help you a lot. We've already made a video on the most popular QGIS plugins. I highly recommend it. Okay, to go to the plugins section, we need to go to the resources tab and hit plugins. All the QGIS plugins are available on the page based on different filters and categories. For example, we got GIS Ready plugins for QGIS. As you can see, listed here, and it contains 218 plugins. All you need to know is which one you're looking for and just download and install it. Since there are many plugins, they've been categorized for easy access. For instance, we have the new plugins category or popular category, most downloaded category, and so on. This Quick Map Services plugin is awesome. I highly recommend it. Just by hitting the download, the plugin will be downloaded. Alright, the download finished. Let's install QGIS now. I click on the downloaded file to start installing. I hit next, accept the agreement and hit next. For the installation path, you can choose a different one. I leave this as default and hit next. And finally hit install. The software is being installed. It may take a few minutes. Just wait for it to complete. And finally, click on the Finish button. Now let me search for QGIS and open it. Alright, just to show you, this is the latest QGIS version that was installed. Also, we can enable the aerospace map using the Quick Map plugin, which we've covered in a dedicated tutorial video on the channel. Okay guys, we're almost done here. I hope you find this video helpful. don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. Your support encourages us to make more useful videos. Thank you so much. As always, until the next time, stay safe.